Hi, I'm Tom Falvey, Director of Science and Outreach at the South Carolina State Museum. We do a lot of great stuff at the State Museum. We have all kinds of wonderful programs, and we sure hope that you've come to the museum. If you haven't, we'd love to see you. You know, we get to come out and see you too, and one of the really great things that we do is our Starlab Portable Planetarium. The Starlab is a wonderful way for you to learn about all sorts of great content. You know, we come out and we see first graders and we do objects in the sky. Fourth graders, we cover the phases of the moon and we do seasons, the sun's path, and all that really important stuff in your content. But it's more than that. We can do all sorts of neat stuff. Cultural history. We have African mythology, Native American mythology. You can learn about the seasons, the way the Chinese people saw the seasons. So great stuff like that. And more than that, in fact, you can even learn about plate tectonics and weather. So the Starlab is a really versatile thing that we hope that you'll take advantage of here at the South Carolina State Museum. You can come see us and learn about it, or we can come to your school as well. In fact, our webpage and our folks at the Group Visits Office can tell you all about how you can book a tour or book us to come out and see you. You know, the other thing is we figure you might actually have a Starlab at your school that you don't know how to use. It's quite possible that you have a Starlab that someone was trained to use some time ago and it's been sitting in a closet. And wouldn't it be great if you knew what to do with that? Well, this video is designed just for you to be able to learn how to set up your Starlab, to use your projector, to understand the really important things about caring for your projector and setting up your fan so that you can use your Starlab at your school, or that you can call us and either have us come out and teach a full week's worth of courses or maybe just one day, or you can be trained to use our Starlab for a whole week at your school. So let's get started and look at how we set up the Starlab, use and care for the projector in the dome. Well, let's get started by unrolling the Starlab. And to unroll the dome, you really want to make sure your floor is nice and clear and that you have enough space around you. So you need about 24 feet on each side, and you need to have about 11 feet above you. And always look above to make sure you don't have any lights or things that might cause some trouble with the Starlab. Remember, Starlab is flammable, so you don't want to be close to too many light sources. All right. You got to take your Starlab dome out of the bag, and we're going to start with that. And it's a pretty simple process. Let's just lift this over here. And now you don't need the bag anymore. And so we just unroll this. Let's unroll this. A gym is a really great place to have this, of course, or a multi-purpose room. So there are a lot of different possibilities. One thing you don't want is to have a flat ceiling keeping your star field from being completely round. So this is the inflation tube, and on that side is the entry tube. And then you just want to pull it so you make it as circular as possible, but don't try to get it perfect because the fan will inflate it and do that for you. And then final adjustments are usually done inside to make sure you have it completely round and ready to set up your projector. And I think we're ready to inflate it.